Now let's say that from the scratch, I want to create a new customer. So what I'll do is I'll go to business partner master data, and right now I'm in find mode. So I have to change the mode by pressing Control A. Now this is add mode. Now I have to place a code here. Actually, it's better to find first that what code sequence do we already have. So press Control F and static. Just check the sequence of it. 20,000, 23,900, 30,000, 50,000, 70,000. So I might create it on 70,001 or maybe 75,000. So let's change the mode again. Control A, C 75,000, let's say. So this is the type in which we can select customer, vendor, or lead. So I'll select customer, and this is, for example, Mr. Shahid or Mr. Abu Bakr. Okay, so this is my customer name. Now foreign name is simply that you can mention this name in another foreign language. Now group, we have multiple group options to choose from here. Because we are working on a demo company, that is OEC Computers, we have a lot of groups. But if we create a new company in SAP, you will see only customers group by default. So group is basically to filter the data when you are trying to extract a report. That means if you have a lot of customers, like thousands of it, and you want to extract the report for a particular group that is marked as construction, so you will just select construction, so it will automatically retrieve the report for that particular customer group. So I can choose customers here. Now by default my currency for OEC Computers is US dollar, but we have different currency options as well. I'll show you how to set up this from scratch after a couple of videos in which we will start a new company from scratch and we will learn how to configure all this. But for now, we are just getting an understanding of the SAP interface. Federal tax ID is there. Now there is general tab in which we give all the telephone and email ID and all the other details for that customer. Now if the customer is active, it is marked as active. If you want to make it inactive, from which stage to which date, for what reason you want to make it inactive. So these are different options. If you want to include contact person details for that customers, means their sales department, accounting department, all the records can be mentioned here. Address means that if you deliver the customer, in the address field we have bill to and ship to. Bill to and ship to simply means that if you send the bill to the customer on a different location and ship the physical items to a different location, then these addresses will vary, which is most of the time the case, because obviously the head office doesn't contain the inventory. Inventory is in a warehouse, so this is used for that. Now in the payment terms we have a lot of options. 2P 10 net 30, that means normal payment is due in 30 days, means we have the credit, we give credit to our customers of 30 days, but if they settle in 10 days, then we will offer them 2% discount. Similarly, there is price list, credit limit, commitment limit. So we will see the details of it. Now payment run is there. If you want to block the payment or allow only single payment, you can do that. Now in the accounting, this is linked to the control accounts. I'll explain control accounts in much detail also. So basically we have a lot of options here, but the basics of creating any new customer is just press Ctrl A, mention the code type and select the name of it, and then just click add. So this is how we create customers in SAP.